Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reacting to crushing, crunchy, and soft things by Car. My name is Shanika, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell button so you can be notified when I upload next. So let's get started, shall we? Whoa. Okay. That's a good start. Not bad. Whoa, I used to have something like that when I was younger. It's kind of funny to see that now. Wow, she's really crushing it. It would be more satisfying. Oh, that's right. I was just about to say it would be so satisfying if she went and cut it, because I want to see those balls come out. That's what she said. Woo! Whoa. Yeah, I enjoy that. Oh no! Bread! It's kinda sad to see bread crushed. I would have so loved one of those Lush bath bombs right now. Ooh, I wanna see this. Is that slime inside? Whatever that was, that is really satisfying, and the color is magical. Reminds me of like mermaids. Oh, she's going in and cutting it again. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if this is satisfying, honestly. I feel your pain, buddy. Ooh, I like that. No, not Doritos. No, not food. Please don't crush food. It's really sad to see food being crushed, honestly. Whoa! Hope she still ate it, you know? Hope she didn't throw it away. Ooh, squishies. Whoa. Wow. I love that. Okay. Was it satisfying? I don't know. I enjoy doing that as well though. Like, I love when sponges are like full of water and then you squeeze it and until nothing is left. Play-Doh. Aww, I wish you would have taken them out of their packages. I think that would have been a bit more satisfying. Eggshells. Yeah. That is the favorite. That's why I clicked on the thumbnail. That's what I want to see. Whatever that is. Ah, oh, that looks so good. Oh, makeup. Nothing happened with the plate. Oh god. Remember when Tide Pods were like a thing? What's gonna happen to them? Wow. motion though. Oh goodness, it's all over her hands. Okay, so they ruined her camera. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And if you like more content from me, then make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.